I'm going to show you how ChatGPT can change your life. ChatGPT is an impressive AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. Let's check out how it can be used for leisure, work, and study. Let's say your child wants you to tell them a bedtime story, but you ran out of story ideas. What to do? Well, it's simple. Just ask ChatGPT to write you a story about an old man called John with his dog Max. And it will return a detailed story that fits your description, and you can use that story however you want. You can also provide more information, and ChatGPT will write a more specific story. For example, you can add more background information about the characters, such as a wife that passed away and an actual location that the story is based at. It will return a more specific story that aligns with the additional information. And if you don't like the result, you can just click Regenerate Responses and it will write another story for you. Furthermore, ChatGPT can also be used for different types of writing, such as poems. By typing, write a poem to my wife, Gigi, for 22 years anniversary. My son is Meow. It will return a romantic poem that includes the details that you inputted. I'm sure after COVID, a lot of you want to go on vacations. Well, ChatGPT can also be used for trip planning. You can ask ChatGPT to write an itinerary for your destination for how many days. You can also add specific locations that you do not want to miss. In my example, it returns a 4-day itinerary to Tokyo. The most amazing thing is that it actually knows that Disneyland should take a whole day and didn't plan anything other than that for that day. ChatGPT can also be used at the workplace. Imagine you need to send an email to take a sick leave. You can simply do that by asking ChatGPT to write you an email to your supervisor Anne and tell her that you need to apply a 3-day sick leave starting from today. She can call you if needed. You can see that it writes you an email explaining the situation. ChatGPT even knows how to program in tons of languages. For example, you can simply ask it to write some code in JavaScript with HTML to allow users to guess a number between 1 to 10. If it doesn't match, display not match, try again. If it matches, display match, and allow the user to click a key to refresh the page. You can see that it produces code written in JavaScript with HTML for you. Everyone hated physics at school, so can it solve a physics question? Let's see. You can simply ask ChatGPT the following question. A 75 kilogram man stands on a scale while accelerating upwards in an elevator. If the scale reads 850 newtons, what is the magnitude of the acceleration on the elevator? It shows the solution and the answer is 1.533 meters per second squared. By now, you might be interested in trying this out for yourself, and it is as simple as Googling ChatGPT and creating an account to start using this amazing tool. And that is the end of the video. We hope that this video helped you. If it did, consider watching this other video where we teach you how to download videos from any website. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.